everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button down below and click on the little bell so you can be notified for all of my new videos. And for the world's best subscribers, hi guys! Did you think I wasn't gonna have a video? Did you think I was gonna go away for that long? No ma'am. How's everybody doing? Happy Friday, first of all. I am so uncomfortable because I cannot find my tripod. So if you were to see how I rigged up this camera to film, you would die laughing. But anyways, okay. So I'm going to do a quick chit chat and update with you guys. Not very long. I don't want to make this video too long. We've moved in. Yeah, we're in. Oh my goodness. Can you guys see me good? I'm just gonna sit back. Okay, so as you can tell, we're in my brand new living room slash what I'm gonna call a family room. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna show you a little bit of the kitchen. I'm gonna show you a little bit here and tell you what I did. And I'm looking around because I really didn't do much because I have not unpacked all the boxes yet. And I would love if you guys follow along and see what I do as in decorating. I'm not going to be doing any construction in this house. I'm not going to be doing any updates or painting or backsplashes or anything like that. It's just going to be strictly decor because, you know, I'm not going to be here for long. Anyways, that will get into it on another video. Okay, so I'm going to, the move... The move did not go as planned. Whose fault was it? Yours truly. I don't know why, but, well, I mean, I do know why, because I was a procrastinator, and I wasn't very organized, and things got ahead of me, and whatever. Anyways, the move's fine. It's done. I'm giving my keys in the other house on the 2nd of July. So I'm excited about that. That is one chapter closed. And now on to this new chapter. So it's kind of exciting. It's kind of nice. I think, I think it'll be good. I hope so. Fingers crossed, prayers up. It'll be good. Okay, guys, I know you're dying to see what I've done around here. So let me give you a small update. I'm going to start with the kitchen. And then we're going to come in here because the rest of the house is not done at all. I mean, Angela's room kinda, but that's about it. Okay guys, so this is what I did in the kitchen so far. You all know that I'm not a big fan of these cabinets, but I'm making the best of it. And so I hung this bless sign that I got at Michael's. I think it was in their spring line, and I think I got it on like one of those 90% clearance sales. And then that grocery sign I had in my kitchen, I just put it up there. In my old kitchen, the top of my cabinets had crown molding and an open space, and I used to have lots of decor up there, but now I can't. So I did this on the top of my fridge. I'm sure you all recognize this beautiful tray that I love. And there's my lantern that I had made for the spring. And there's my little chicken. I just want to add some, like, the American moss and stuff on that, around the base of the chicken. I just have her on a little, no, it's a rooster. I just have her on a little pedestal. Anyways, so I brought my personal fridge. I switched out my fridge for the fridge that was in the house. This one is better. It makes water and ice. And then I'll show you here. I know it's still a work in progress, but I just wanted to show it to you. I got my bread box and the toaster, which I think I'm going to move. And I like all my cutting boards together. I don't know why, but I just do. And my little, that's Mia's little dog thing. I put her cookies in there, and it's open. And then this little lamp is a new purchase for me. I got it at Walmart USA. And I love it. It's really cute. Gives off really nice lighting. And then I just hung my Hey Y'all sign because, you know, every girl's got to have her sign. And then I just have this little Rae Dunn thing here with I put my stuff in. And then here to hide the cords, it kind of moved a little bit. Let me fix it. To hide the cords, I just have this sign from Hobby Lobby. And if you can tell, there's like awful holes all over the place because the people that were living here before, they had some weird contraption hung up there, which I'm gonna fix. This little lantern, guys, is so cute. Give me a second, I'm gonna turn it on. It's got a little Edison bulb light, and the top of it's got this like bluey green. It looks really blue on camera, but it's actually like a green, like a pale green. It is so cute. And it's a wax warmer, and I got it at Walmart. I think I got it at Walmart USA. So yeah, if you're interested, that's where I got that. It is so cute. All right, so then that's that side of the kitchen. And then this is my eating area. And guys, keep in mind, this is not decorated yet. It's just, you know, you'll see things all over the place. There's Mia's dog bowls. I haven't figured out where to put her dog bowls yet. This is everything I took out of one box. I just put it on this cabinet. And if you remember, these no, it's not a cabinet, it's a shelf, whatever. Dad actually made these for me a couple years ago. And I actually changed the color, and I'll tell you why in a second, to kind of match my table. But this is what I got hung up so far. I got my painting. A lot of you that have been with me for a long, long time know that this painting always sat in my kitchen. I love the way it looks in this kitchen. I love it. I love the light it does in the kitchen now, and it looks so pretty. And then I hung these Hobby Lobby wall sconces, I guess. Aren't they nice? They're really nice. And then I just put 2 topiary balls on them because that's what I could find. And then let me spin you around and you can see the rest of the house. Okay, there's my view outside. They're still building the deck, but look at that view, guys. Isn't that amazing? I back onto a forest. I love it. Okay, I'm going to spin you around this way. And I know, there's like ladders. Oh, I forgot to show you that area there. Okay, we'll go there in a minute. Okay, I know a lot of you have been waiting to see what I did with this table. So there's the table all done. I just moved the chair, sorry for the noise. So I refinished the table. I think it turned out great. I did find these 4 placemats that I had bought. Wow, the table looks a lot more brown in this lighting, I guess. But it's not. It's got a gray tinge to it. And these are my brand new kitchen chairs. I'll pan this way so you can see them a little bit better. Yeah, this way it's really better. Okay, so these are my brand new kitchen chairs. They just have this pale gray blue finish on the seat, and I love the legs of them. I got all 4 matching ones, and they got a whitewash finish to them. See, you can see it there. Yeah, I think you can there, and you can actually see the little bit of gray in the finish of the table here. Anyways, the chairs are 4 chairs that I got at Home Goods, and they're great. I think they are $149 each, but I think they're well worth it. They're really good quality, and there's a fly. Okay, so I know I'm rambling. And then these are curtains that I have laid here because I'm going to put them in the family room. But let's go over here, and don't mind the mess, guys. It's going to be messy for a little bit. But I hung my eat sign. Those letters I got at Michael's. And then there's, of course, phone chargers, my glasses, and all this. I know it looks kind of messy, but keep in mind, we just did move in. Like, literally just moved in. So I hung that blessed sign there. My sign, if you've been with me for a while, you know this is my favorite sign. It doesn't go anywhere. It stays in all my kitchens. Okay, and I'm going to give you a peek of the family room and show you what I've done so far. Before we're going to the family room, guys, do you remember this table? I put it here. I'm having a hard time deciding what kind of decor I want to put on that wall. I do want to put my home sign up, but we'll have to wait and see. Okay, and now into the family room. And this is not bad. It's not done yet. I did put my TV on that shelf there. I'm gonna, decorate it obviously. I put my chair, that's the pillow I found in one of the boxes. And then I sort of kind of decorated my mantle. I know I showed a sneak peek of it the other day on Instagram. So if you follow me on Instagram, guys, know it's always linked down in the description box. And I'll leave it linked here too also. Okay, so this is, I know this looks crazy. I'm going to try and get the lighting better. Now, if you've been with me, you know that I had that giant sectional. This is all that fits in this room. That's it. That's all I could get in this room. So the other pieces of the sectional are kind of put away for now, but that's okay. I just added my little table. I know there's no decor yet, guys. There's no decor yet. I just wanted to give you an update. And yeah, that's it. Now, I'm thinking of putting this shelf and that arch up above here. So I think I'm going to do that this weekend. Okay, guys. Okay. So that is the end of my video. Let's see. All the kitchen stuff is put away in the cabinets. So that's good. I did manage to do that. What else did I? Oh, I got the laundry room done. Yeah, I organized that. And the linen closet, like I put away all our towels and stuff. I've been cleaning. Well, I cleaned the house when I got the keys like crazy. And then I cleaned again. And I'm going to clean again and again and again and again. This weekend, it's a holiday long weekend here in Canada. It's Canada Day. So for my Canadian girls, happy Canada Day. And I wonder if I'll be back by the 4th. Probably, right? Okay, yeah. Okay, maybe we're going to celebrate the 4th of July now. So I'll say happy 4th of July. I wanted to put up some 4th of July decor, but I can't find the flags. I don't know where I put them. But we do have 2 giant flags in the front of our house, which is, anyways. We've got a big giant Canadian flag, and we have a enormous American flag on the front porch. So maybe I'll show that on Instagram. Okay, guys. Have an amazing, amazing, amazing weekend. I love you from the bottom of my heart. For the girls that sent me beautiful messages yesterday for my husband's birthday, I love you. Thank you. And you know who you are. And I love you to bits. I love you guys so much. I can't. I am so thankful, guys. I know I'm going to ramble now for a minute. But I don't think people understand how thankful and grateful I am to my subscribers that now I call you guys my friends. You are my friends. And I love you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Hope you have a great weekend. I'm going to stop rambling now. Bye, guys. See ya Monday.